What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ayan and I'm taking you through episode number 11. I'll be teaching you AutoCAD shortcut keys. Let's jump into the tutorial. Here we are in AutoCAD and the first one will be Ctrl+O. You can open any file within your computer using that shortcut. The next one, Ctrl+N for a new file. You get that palette, you follow along. We shall be doing a deep tutorial about it. You can also get it by right clicking there, go to new, you get the same palette. The next one is Ctrl+S. That is when you're saving your work for the first time. You browse and store it where you prefer in a selected version. We have a video about this, check the playlist. To attain the same palette, you can press Q, then you have Q save, you get the same palette and follow along. The next one is Ctrl+1. You get this palette which is called the properties palette. These palettes can float, you can place it anywhere on your screen like that. You can minimize it. You can minimize it, then place it gently there. The next one is Ctrl+2. You get the design center. We shall do a tutorial about that. Minimize it. Ctrl+3. You get tool palettes. These vary from annotation, architecture, mechanical, tables, very many. Minimize it, place it here. Next, Ctrl+4. You get the sheet set manager. Minimize it. So we have 4 of them for shortcuts. The next one is match property, MA. Then you select the item you want to match. Let me show you a sample. Circle. Circle. Match property, MA. Press enter. Click the property you want to match. Then click the next. Then they will match. I will do a tutorial about it. The next one is trim, TR. Before that, let's do one line. Then let's look at TR. Trim, click on it. Then you can trim anything like that. The next one is to explode. You can sample that with a rectangle. You see it is grouped or joined. So when you want to explode, click on it, then type X. You say explode there, press enter, and you have it in parts. That is for explode. Next is DI for distance or measuring. Press enter, then measure distance between 2 points. See? That is for distance. The next one is hash, H. Type H, enter. That panel comes, click that point, give it a click, press your enter to close. You have the area hashed. The next one is to stretch. I may have my line or any item can be stretched, and you need to stretch it. Click on it, press S, click stretch, click the point where I need to stretch from, and give the new point. That is for stretching. Use S. Next one is zoom extent. Press Z, enter, press E, enter. Everything will fit on your screen. That is zoom extent. The next one is copy. Click the item you want to copy. CO, enter. Then hold base point and give the distance, or place anywhere you need. That is for copy. The next one, we shall look at copying from a base point. I will demonstrate it with this rectangle. Click on it. I want to copy basing on this apex. Ctrl Shift C. It will tell you specify base point. Click into it. Then to paste, Ctrl V, and you can place it there. That is copying using a base point. The next one, if I have something that I want to cut from this area to this area, Ctrl plus X, then to paste, Ctrl plus V, then you can go ahead to paste it there. That is for cutting. Cutting, copying all move with the paste command, which is Ctrl V. M is for moving. Click onto this thing or the item, type M, enter. It will be asking you base point here. You can hold it there and you place there. That is for moving. You can use letter M. Another one is to delete. Once you need to delete this item, you click on it and press delete on your keyboard. Another shortcut is UN for units. I made a video about this and how you go along up to directions. Check the playlist. UN is the shortcut. Another shortcut is X-riffing. XR is the shortcut. Then you have the X-riff palette. Then you go ahead to browse. I will do a video in the future about this. You can place it there. Another shortcut is Ctrl plus Q. I did a video about how you save and quit with over 6 methods. Please check the playlist. Everything is there. I will add a link in description. And if I'm to press Ctrl X, then it will ask for this. I can say no or yes depending on what you need. So once I close my AutoCAD, that is the last shortcut to present before you, and I could like to inform you that thank you for watching this channel. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.